Okay, schönen guten Tag, wir sind wieder da und heute haben wir oder müssen wir etwas mit Präteritum tun. Also, unser Thema heute lautet das Präteritum. Okay, und was ist Präteritum auf Englisch? Hier haben wir Simple Past. I want to say welcome. I want to say welcome to you. And today we are going to talk about Präteritum. And what is actually Präteritum? In German, there are two ways of expressing past tense. The first one is to use what we call perfect tense. And the second one is to use the one we call simple past. The two are available in German to express past events. Only that one is more useful in writing, while the other one is needed in conversation. But as learners of German, it's good to know the two, and then you can now choose when you want to write, especially when you want to write history, or you want to, historic things you want to describe, you use the Präteritum, and when you want to speak, of course, you use the perfect tense. And sometimes you mix the two together depending on the context that you are using. So this time, we want to talk about the Präteritum, and it's quite easy to know how do we form the Präteritum. And then after that, we want to show us there are some verbs that are irregular. And these verbs, the way they form their Präteritum is a bit different. But then generally speaking, how do we form Präteritum? I have on the board the infinitive form of two verbs. The first one is tanzen. You remember that verb? Tanzen, to dance. And the second one is suchen. Suchen, to search or to look for. Now, this is the infinitive form. And to form the Präteritum, you just smuggle a T between this Z-E-N, you put a T here. That's the Präteritum form. The same thing here, you see the T here, you smuggle the T here, and then you have the Präteritum form. However, you still have to break the Präteritum form to suit the personal pronoun. Just as we have ich, for instance, tanzte, remember the usual ending, du tanztest, and then tanzte, sie tanzte, es tanzte, wir tanzten, of course you see the T, and then ihr tanztet, and then sie tanzten. So with that, you can conjugate all regular verbs in German in the Präteritum form. However, there are exceptions to the rule, and that's why we have these two, and of course, we still have some other irregular verbs too, which I'm still going to mention. Now, we have these two. This is a very common verb in German, sein and haben. Sein, haben. Sein is to be, haben is to have. And then in the Präteritum form, this is their conjugation. Ich war, du warst, sie, es war, wir waren, ihr wart, sie waren. No shortcuts to knowing that, just repeat it over and over until it stays in your system. And then we come to haben. Ich hatte, du hattest, sie, es hatte, wir hatten, ihr hattet, sie hatten. Well, in a simple way, what is the meaning of ich war? Or what is the meaning of ich hatte? I had. This ich hatte means I had. Okay, as I told you, these are just second way of forming describing past event in German. And the truth is, we just need to know how to use it. And as we go along with reading, we have more knowledge on how to use this form of past and how to use the perfect form of past. Now, I will give you the list of the verbs that are irregular, and just take it like that. Don't even ask question, why is it like that? How is it like that? Just take it like that. Just get it into your system, and by the time you have it, by the time you concentrate on reading more things in German, you will so much enjoy the way this form of past is used in the German language. So, bleib dran, es gibt einige unregelmäßige Verben, die wir besprechen müssen. Okay? Und sage ich einfach mal jetzt, bis gleich.